President Donald Trump confirmed US airstrikes on 3 Iranian nuclear sites, Fordo, Natanz and Isfahan, amid the Iran-Israel conflict, declaring Fordo gone and warning Iran to seek peace or face more attacks. He said 6 bunker-buster bombs struck Fordo, while 30 Tomahawk missiles hit other targets. Iran's state media acknowledged the strike, citing local officials. Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi stated that self-defense is every country's right. An expert of the Atlantic Council told the New York Times that the operation is over, but warned of possible escalation if Iran retaliates. On India's stance, defense expert Praful Bakshi advised caution, saying that India must stay vigilant as both Iran and Israel are its allies. He believes PM Modi, given his stature and ties, especially the emotional bond with Israel, will engage both sides to help end the conflict.
भारत की बात आती है तो भारत के लिए एक बहुत जिसको कहते हैं कि सावधानी का समय है। हमको ये बहुत सावधानी से इस सारे डेवलपमेंट को देखनी पड़ेगी कि अब हो क्या रहा है। भारत का दोस्त है ईरान, भारत का दोस्त है इजराइल, दोनों हमारे दोस्त हैं और दोस्त का मतलब काम आते हैं दोनों।
He further says Iran now knows the US is serious. Like in Iraq, once America targets someone, it acts, regardless of blame. Trump will continue this approach, sending a clear warning to Iran and its allies, including China and Russia.
सबसे पहले बड़ा पहलू तो ये है, पहला पहलू कि ईरान को पता चल गया है कि अब अमेरिका सीरियस है और एक बार अमेरिका ने अपना शिकार ढूंढ लिया, जैसे कि उसने इराक को ढूंढा था और उसके ऊपर अटैक को शुरू किया था। अब चाहे शिकारी जो शिकार की गलती हो या ना हो, शिकारी शिकार करेगा और ये शिकारी ट्रंप ने अपना काम शुरू कर दिया है, जैसे कि आपने इराक की 2 लड़ाइयों में देखा था।
Former Pentagon official Michael Rubin has cautioned that if Iran attempts to block the Strait of Hormuz, the impact on India would be limited and manageable.
Well, 44% of the fuel that goes through the Strait of Hormuz ends up in Asia, most of that in China, but also to some degree in India. And so there might be a short disruption.
While acknowledging that a brief disruption in the supply of fuel could occur, Rubin further emphasized that the situation is not unmanageable. He added that Iran can't sustain a closure without harming its own economy.